How to fix Discord JavaScript error on Mac/Windows. Here are some tips that may help fix Discord JavaScript error on Mac/Windows. 1. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Discord. 2. Delete all Discord related files in %of and %localapp folder on Windows Safe Mode. Now, remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Discord. 3. Run Discord without administrative privileges. 4. Check if your antivirus software had disabled Discord from running. If so, whitelist the app. 5. Quality Windows. Audio Video Experience, stop then restart Quality Windows Audio Video Experience service. 6. Try the recommended NordVPN. In this video to bypass potential geo-block.